target audio Qualcomm 4 plus 64. Okay, how to set for the turn on 360 and AHD setting. Okay, go to setting, reverse and aux setting. Okay, for parking reverse line, this is a guard line you have to turn on for reverse parking line. Okay, reversing camera system, you can choose for the CVBS. CVBS is for original, this player connect original reverse camera, you have to choose CVBS. If you change aftermarket AHD camera, so depend on your AHD camera is 720 or 1080p. Okay, reversing camera. Mirror on off is used for, depend on your camera, is used for the parking reverse or used for the front parking camera. If you use for the front camera, you have to turn on the mirror. Left right, that means when you turn on, the view for the left right turn. This is a mirror setting. Okay, a Backcar power supply. Okay, if this is the Backcar type, is for original car reverse, it's been only for connect parking reverse camera, just one camera. Okay, if you connect 360 reversing, this is the previous version, got a remote control version, so it's a 360. If you connect the target audio built-in 360 Birdview camera, that's been add on for the example, add on a convex 360 camera. Okay, this is a 360 Birdview camera, got 4 camera, 4-way front, rear, left and right camera to connect touchscreen control with the target audio Qualcomm 464 version. So you have to choose for the built-in 360. Built-in 360 to connect 360 camera. 如果你是装360的，就是这个 360 Birdview. So you have to, 你必须要选择 built-in 360, built-in 360 version. Okay, so this is for reverse setting. Reverse delay. This is when you reverse. If you want to reverse delay 0.2 second, 1.5 second if you want to delay. Scroll down. Okay, this setting, right view and aux, right camera switch. This is for land watch version. If your car got a land watch on your side camera, so you have to on off by here. Okay, for the aux right camera, this is for the front camera, for the aux video input. Okay, you can select for the CVBS or AHD 720. Okay, only 2 choice, CVBS or AHD 720. For front camera input is not support for the 1080, only support up to 720. Okay, so this is target audio Qualcomm version 464, Qualcomm 2.2 GHz, Adreno 506 GPU 464. Target audio. Thank you.